If anyone out there is struggling with understanding that there's still business out there, is there still business out there? Can I still get large commercial contracts? Can I still push forward in my business? The answer is what's up, Overcomer Nation? It's your boy John. Hope you're hanging in there. This whole COVID thing, man, it sucks, but you know, I'm gonna be the man of inspiration that you can still show up and do what you gotta do during this whole time of doubt, this time of uncertainty. I know it's tough, but you know, I'm driving right now on my way out to San Diego. A job out here that was scheduled back in January, February time, and it was about to close. Everything was going to work out, man, and boom, coronavirus happens, right? Knocked me back, and they said, hey, we're pulling back on any large projects for right now. There's too much uncertainty, blah, blah, blah. So a month goes by, and I get a phone call back from them saying that they actually are highly interested to move forward now. Because this is in the multifamily space, the contract that I'm going to be servicing. And the way they saw it was like, well, people are pulling back, you know, they're moving out, but then we're also preparing for the people that are going to move back in, and our building looks like crap. We need to make it look good again. And so now they're like, we really, really want to move forward. And so they're looking at it as there's not a lot of traffic on their community, there's not a lot of people on the property, and they might as well get it done now. I mean, these people are playing for the long term, you know, they've owned these buildings for over 10, 15, like 20, 15, 20 years, and they've been doing this game for like 30. And so, you know, do you really think a 2-year economy crisis is going to hold them back from maintaining their building? No, they still have stuff that they need to take care of. They still have maintenance on the building. They still have things that need to get done. And so if anyone out there is struggling with understanding that there's still business out there, is there still business out there? Can I still get large commercial contracts? Can I still push forward in my business? The answer is yes. You just have to get strategic. Like, maybe one part of your business, you know, fell and it's not working anymore, kind of like mine. I have one aspect. I mean, let's be real, there's 3 things that got hit the worst, maybe 4, in this whole crisis. You got the hotel and travel, right? Hotels. Nobody's going to hotels right now, which was one of my big players, one of my big partners, Hilton, Marriott, I feel for them. You got airlines, right? So flying. And then you got freaking cruise ships, right? And then you got restaurants, maybe. But even restaurants, I see a lot of restaurants that are just killing it right now. You know, they got their takeout that's just destroying. It's one of the reasons why we developed Virtual Blueprint, is to show restaurant owners, people that are in any type of training industry, or they have some sort of specialty knowledge that they want to sell online. We created Virtual Blueprint for our Overcomer Academy. So that's one way of pivoting during this crisis. Before, I was teaching people kind of how to get into hotels with large commercial contracts, but what happens when that takes a hit? Well, you got to pivot. So maybe right now there's something in your business that isn't working too well, and you got to change. You got to make a change. But it doesn't mean that there's not business out there, right? Whether you're in the service business or you want to go digital and you want to go virtual, I mean, there's a way to do it, man. You just got to find, what do people need? Solve the problem. Don't focus. Try not to focus, right? That's what I'm doing. Try not to focus on all the bad. Try not to focus on all the shit going on. And if you can get away from that, you'll find the holes and the pockets of the opportunity. And I know that sounds shitty right now, you know, like it's not all about opportunity and money and success right now, but it is about keeping your ship alive. And if you're a business owner, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Get creative with your pivoting structure right now. Accept the reality that this is real, and find what is needed in the marketplace, okay? Anyways, I'm on my way to San Diego. I'm gonna be there soon, you can see, and I will update you on the walkthrough of the project to kind of show you guys that the type of building we're gonna be working on. And then as soon as I get back from San Diego, I'm gonna go to the office, and I got a few things to write up, a video to make for our Overcomer Academy for Virtual Blueprint, for all people that want to go digital and they want to go virtual and build a virtual online business. You know, we're showing people how to take specialty products, specialty desserts. Maybe you got a restaurant and you want to go virtual. You can actually sell online and target people online through content creation and all that cool stuff. So it's going to be awesome. You guys are going to see a lot more of that soon. But I want to just keep you guys updated on my journey on how I'm getting through COVID-19, pandemic, economic crash, you know, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to be right there pushing and shoving, getting through it. And I want to be the beacon of hope for anyone out there that thinks that they can't get through this. You know, maybe because you don't have the resources, you don't have the money right now, whatever it may be. I want to show you guys that you can get through it if you're smart, you're diligent, you're consistent, you're resilient, and you focus on the problem that needs to be solved in your business. We're switching up the content, we're switching up some of the teachings that we're providing on there. But if you or anyone you know has a specialty knowledge or a specialty product that you created or you make or you sell, and you don't want to open up a big retail store because now's not the time to do that anymore. You want to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on building a store, or, you know, freaking building out a restaurant or a dessert bar. You know, you want to do that online, I'm your guy, man. I'm going to help you out. But anyways, watch my journey. You know, if you're not ready for that, that's all okay. I understand times are tough right now. Watch this content, watch my journey as I build my virtual business, as I continue to keep up with my large commercial contracts with service contractors. I'm running 2 businesses at once, building the second one, and it's gonna be fun, guys. So stay up, stay true, keep pushing, man. Keep showing up. It's your boy, John.